Hi, let us talk about a new interesting fact in Python. Consider a situation where you need to perform the following set of operation. Let's say union, intersection, difference and symmetric difference. Now, let's refer this with the help of the given example. Now, those of us who are coming from C++ and Java background, the approach that will come to our mind is to use the inbuilt functions which are union, intersection and symmetric differences. But do you know, in Python, we can do all this with the help of a single operator. Curious to know about it? Let's refer to the given program. When you run this program in Python, you will get the output as this. So now the question arises that how is it actually working in Python? Now let's discuss about these operations one by one. Let's first discuss about the union operation. Here, let's say we are given two sets A and B. We need to find the elements which are both in common and present in either A or B. The only condition is that the element should not be repeated. It can be done in Python with the help of this operator. Moving forward, let's discuss about intersection operator. Here, we need to find the elements that are common in both the sets. It can be done with the help of this operator. Moving forward, let's discuss about difference operator. In this, we have to find the set that is the difference between the given two sets. It can be done in Python with the help of this operator. Moving forward, let's discuss about symmetric difference. It tells you the elements that are either in A or B, but it should not be in the intersection of both the sets. This can be done in Python with the help of this operator. This is how we perform these operations in Python. Hope you enjoyed the video, and next video we will discuss another interesting fact.